Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please give this video a thumbs up to help the channel grow. Click the bell icon at the top of the page to get notified when I post a new video. Universal Channeling. Channeling the Conscious Universe. God's Gift to Humanity. By Angel V. Ornedo Jr. June 23, 2022. Have you asked yourself within, about what the most important gift the divine can bestow on a human could be? Is it a spiritual gift, or mundane super yacht, or jet plane, for fast travel to any part of the world, and to outer space? The age of reason, awakening and awareness, love and realizing how to connect with the divine is within us from, and through the pineal, fully assisted by intense light energies from the great central sun with Solace portal. To assist humanity for decades, Source signed in volunteers to assist solve these questions, and decode our other 10 DNAs, where we only have DNA double helix, thus accelerate awareness. This will effectively prepare human volunteers raise consciousness of Earth with humanity on board. History of humankind is bereft of truth as we have lived in fear, forgetting in duality as a result of exploitations by the dark, specifically the Anunnaki and reptilians, enslavers 3,500 years ago per scientists and archaeologists. Now, these dark controls are being dissolved by intense light energies of Source from the great central sun. Our sun is portal in constant touch with each other, piercing all places, penetrating all nooks and crannies of Earth to eliminate stronghold of cabal and dark forces. We still have their dummies at deep state, elites, and human clones around for conversion or transfer to another Earth. Indigenous people foretold us of the shift to higher vibrations, and they come from the East, Americas, and Cambodia. India's populace call this the passing of the Kali Yuga, and the forthcoming Sattva Yuga, the age of peace, the golden age we have been expecting to happen. The Indian Vedic scriptures show humanity in extreme hard times for more than 4,300 years. These scriptures tell us a different story of yugas, where humans ascend in numbers of a fourth to majority or a whole, joining light beings of other realms where we originated, far different from the Bible. Christianity's scriptures showed us limited ascension scenarios with Moses, Elijah, Jesus, Yeshua, Mother Mary, ascend as written in the Bible, of the Roman origin short of books deleted by the emperor for his colonization, slavery control reasons, using Spain, Portugal, Dutch, and European countries for this purpose. These deleted books are found with important scrolls out from caves near oceans and underground cities, some of which are displayed at the net, and how the olden people live their lives as taught by Mother God replaced by Father God. Turkey has underground cities. On the spiritual world, for decades, the light workers and the way showers have volunteered to live on Earth to accelerate the long-delayed shift of the planet's vibration to higher frequency. Humanity included in this ascension process. Others unprepared will be transferred to a similar Earth planet to continue their evolutionary process. At the Golden Age we no longer talk of religion, government nor fiat money, but of the greatest gift humans will have from Source, that is transformation from our carbon shell to crystalline cellular light structure at ascension, together with restoration of the planet as God created her, a paradise to live in love, peace and abundance. For our simple imagination, prior to DNA double helix, full utilization of 10 more junk DNAs by all humans beings, that would mean absorbing more light, making us lighter and lighter till we are transformed, and prepared for higher vibration, shifted to a new Earth. Aside, we can access gifts through the heart, the powers innate in any human being, the likes of telepathy, bilocation, teleportation. Science calls other DNAs junk, for lack of knowledge of truth, including lack of understanding of DNA replication, and hereditary control of cellular activities, if not limited inkling of them. Why would God put those 10 DNAs there in the first place, DNA, deoxyribonucleic, if they are useless? Our ancestors foresaw the age of peace on Earth, with a weather like that of California, USA, or that of the tropics, at the Pacific like the Philippines, a special place, says a light being, Aten, Hadun, where earlier leaders accept Jews and Indo-Chinese refugees from war-torn countries subjected to extermination, a prelude of the greatness of faraway land. The Philippines, an unknown place named after King Philip after colonization by Spain, is special mention. Then and again we have not solved the greatest truth of all that we aspire for, God's gift. We have been waiting for 1,000 years. Look at gifts given by the wealthy, or talk of their wealth, the likes of diamonds, pearls, fiat money, mansions, and resorts to live, cars, yachts, and planes in a world of chaos. Picture life of celebrities, billionaires, leaders, and presidents of nations at the material existence, but death is a fact we can never escape, where a cent, nor an ounce of gold never matter. We live with limited and in most cases false beliefs, but with expansion of our knowledge through awareness, open our hearts and minds to universal wisdom and knowledge. The gift of God to each incarnate human who have mastered life on earth is transformation to crystalline cellular form, and ascension, which is not a realm of one religious icon, Jesus, Buddha, Vishnu, Shiva, Mother Mary. Long list. The most prominent is Jesus, Yeshua, ascended master, we call the Christ, now known as Sananda, if you happen to be a Christian, but the Muslims of Muhammad are growing fast of the religious brood. Why are Middle East people exploited, and manipulated citizens programmed to dislike the First World turn some of their citizens to terrorism, but says amen to white British living in their countries? I never ventured to land in the Middle East despite bookings to manage development projects and asked my British counterpart to do it, as Filipinos are shelved by the Arabs at airports, says overseas Filipino workers to me. Why are religions different from each other when we all know there is only one, wholeness, all that is, who is everything, and all ascended masters are messengers, and guides of God. Ascended Master Sananda Jesus calls all that is, our God. It is time to learn the truth. Humans are all fractals, expressions of God, all that is, no exception. Even if you are Sananda, Saint Germain, or Buddha, all have the capacity to ascend. Humans are divine beings, have the power of transferring and shifting to a higher vibrational frequency in an illuminated form. We fully transform to crystalline light when our carbon shell changes to crystalline structure, mastering our task on Earth after initiations, practice, repetition with multiplicity of incarnations. We failed to understand till today where millions of humans awakened, aware of truth, are communicating as human collective consciousness. Allow and receive intense light energies overflowing Earth, and you will be part of the group consciousness preparing us for ascension. Perceptions changed, and we can feel in some moments that we live in a higher vibrational frequency till we fall back to the fourth frequency. We misinterpreted 2012, and elites made profits from it. I reiterate, grounding, meditation, living with nature, seeking silence and peace in our homes are some ways to understand our powers, what is within us, make us aware and prepare us for ascension. Realize everything is within us. God's gift is never in material form nor fantastic wealth, but living from moment to moment. Now, we realize the greatest gift of God is transforming from our carbon shell vehicle to crystalline cellular light form, one capable of joining the higher light realm, the new Earth. We start to evolve again to a much higher vibration as we learn the truth in a place we call heaven on earth, a higher vibrational frequency where humanity live in unity consciousness, oneness with source energy. The truth is, if you qualify to God's gift lifted to higher vibrational frequency, it is only a part of the evolution of light beings where we start and aspire again to be at the highest. The 12th vibrational frequency times 12, where harmony, joy, and peace are norm. Aware, living in the moment with our beloved gods, I am presence within, we all have a chance to shift to a higher vibration. Prepare, embody, embrace a heart-centered life of love, harmony and peace till we attain passage to new earth. We can do it. Love and Light, Angel V. Ornedo Jr., about the author. Angel teaches love, light, and field of unity consciousness, source capitalist funds to generate livelihood and share knowledge with people. Angel is 77, MBA, CPA, A, Reb, read Knowing the Infinite Creator from Amazon.